Hi everyone, my name is Birazar Siddharth. Today date is 10th March 2022. Today's topic is multi-threading in Java. Multi-threading in Java is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight subprocess, the smallest unit of processing. Multiprocessing and multi-threading both are used to achieve multitasking. However, we use multi-threading than multiprocessing because threads multi-threading than multiprocess because threads use a shared memory area. They don't allocate separate memory areas, so memory and context of the switching between the threads takes less time than process Java. Multi-threading is mostly used in games, animation, etc. Advantage of multi-threading: it does not block user. Threads are implement independent and you can perform multiple operations at the same time. You can perform many operations together, so it is saves time. Threads are independent, so it does not affect other threads if an exception occurs in a single thread. Multitasking is a process of executing multiple tasks simultaneously. We use multitasking to utilize of CPU. Multitasking can be achieved in two ways: process-based multitasking and in that multiprocessing, and thread-based multitasking in multi-threading. A process-based multitasking is each process has been addressed in memory. In other words, each process allocates a separate memory area. A process is heavyweight. Cost of communication between the process is high. Switching from process to another requires some time saving and dialogues, loading register and memory if the maps and updating list etc. And thread based multitasking, multi-threading. Threads share the same address space. A thread is a lightweight. Cost of communication between thread is low. What is thread in Java? A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing. It is a separate of path execution. Thread are independent. If there occurs exception in one thread, it does not process of affect other threads. And next is it is use a shared memory area. A thread is executed inside the process. There is context switching between the threads. There can be multiple processes inside the OS, and one process can be have multiple threads. Java thread class. Java provides thread class to achieve thread programming. A thread class provides constructor and methods to create the perform operation on a thread. Thread class extends object class and implements runnable interface. And next is a modifier and type method description. Void start is a use start execution of thread. Void is run. It is used to action and thread. And static void is a sleep method is sleep. It is sleep thread for the specified amount of time. A static thread, current thread, it returns a reference to the current executing thread. And void method is a join. In that it wait for a thread to die. Int get priority. In that it returns the priority of the thread. And void set priority method, it changes the priority of the thread. And string is a get name method. In that it returns the same of the thread. And next is a void set name method. In that it changes the same of the threads in which a method is set name, and description is the it changes the name of the thread. And data is the long method get id, and description is the it is returns the id for the thread. In that description is the it returns of the id of thread. And next is a boolean. Boolean is a method is alive. In description it is test of the test if the thread is alive. Thank you.